It's going to go all the way to this point that we call L2.
Lisa Dang is one excited exoplanet expert, among the first who will use the James Webb Space Telescope when it reaches its new home 1.5 million kilometers from Earth.
This is a truly, dream come true.
Canada has contributed 2 key instruments, a guidance sensor to focus on distant galaxies and an imager to probe new planets. Lisa Dang will study one hot planet with oceans of lava and a rock vapor atmosphere.
For the first time, we're going to look at the interaction between oceans, a crust, a mantle, and the core of a planet, and the atmosphere of a planet.
The launch will be one of the most important in the history of space exploration. 30 years in development, the Webb telescope will look further out and further back in time to answer the most basic questions. How did we get here? And are we alone?
We're going to see towards the beginning of the universe, closer than ever before with Webb.
The Canadian Space Agency is a major partner with NASA and the European Space Agency, so Canada will be at the forefront of new discoveries in space.
Canada has access to 5% of the entire observation time of the whole observatory. So the Canadian scientists during that period will actually get to decide where it's pointing, what images it's taking, and they will have privileged access to these images.
One Canadian scientist will study the formation of a nearby galaxy.
This really is a wonderful mission of discovery. It's just seeing the universe with these new eyes gives us deeper insights into things we never would have expected.
Webb will replace this, the Hubble telescope. The new space telescope is 100 times more powerful, with a mirror that must unfold outside the rocket. It's outfitted with a solar shield to block heat and light, but will be so far beyond the moon that it can't be fixed if anything goes wrong.
We're not going to have the second chance like we did with Hubble, so it has to work on the first go.
And that's what makes the next month of spaceflight nerve-wracking for scientists all over the world.
I'm really just on the edge of my seat.
The nervousness starts with the expected liftoff tomorrow morning. Eric Sorenson, Global News, Toronto.